Welcome in this video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to put Instagram in automation and not do everything manually. So this tool that we use is InstaZood, as you can see here, and this tool helps us by increasing the our followers, and by going and liking things, liking posts, commenting automatically to other people, and generally do things that attract attention from other people. And the product is to follow you. The people that you attract attention, then they will follow you. And this specific tool has many features, but the main right now that I'm going to speak about and that interests us are the automatically following and unfollowing, so that you don't have to go and follow and unfollow people the whole day, and also the likes. This tool goes and likes posts, and likes also are a form of communication with another person. It's like a form of relationship. You start building up a relationship when your account likes another account. And actually InstaZood has helped us, and we have used this to build accounts with tens of thousands of followers, and so it is proven that it works. Start, by the way, with the link under this video that you will find under this video. And for this tool, you pay something per month to use it, but not like many. It's not heavily charged. It is like $10 per month, not 10,000 per month, so that it goes and likes, comments, and follows and unfollows people. And it is actually very cheap. It's like nothing. By the way, as a note, we Inmars cannot guarantee you that your account will be safe with InstaZood if you use InstaZood. This is something that InstaZood has to guarantee you. We cannot take responsibility for a third party because we don't own or control that third party. And there are tens of thousands of companies like InstaZood that you can use. We just found InstaZood to be the best, the cheapest, and the most effective solution for this automation. So as I told you, the charge is $10 per month, the basic charge, and for an extra charge, you can actually automate also direct messages to other people, but you don't have to do it. Personally, I don't use this. I just use the follow and follow and the likes. Right now, I'm going to go into settings and how exactly to set up your account so that it does the best work for you and you grow followers very fast. Because as you can see here, I have 166 followers, and I just started to use